Gmail account removed from phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can remove your Gmail account from your phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to basically remove your Gmail account from your phone, it's actually quite very simple because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch Gmail. Now your Gmail account is your Google account. So if you want to remove your Gmail account after you open the Gmail app, tap the profile icon from the top right. Now here you have to go to this option that says manage accounts on this device. Not manage your Google account, we want to go to manage accounts on this device and then simply tap on it. Once we go to manage accounts, here you'll see a list of all the Gmail or Google accounts that you have added to your Android phone. So depending on what is that you want to remove, select that particular account, tap on the remove account button, tap on remove, and that account will get successfully removed. That's all it takes to remove your Gmail account from phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.